Hello bro, this is Prince 117005. Just want to say congratulations to Brian Beloria for defeating Hernan Tyson Marquez of Mexico, for unifying the belts, the WBA and WBO belts. It was a very exciting fight. I think Beloria drop Marquez three times, um, in the first, in the I think in the fifth, or and in the 10th round. During the 10th round, uh, Tyson Marquez was putting the pressure to Brian Beloria, and then Beloria countered or timed Tyson Marquez very well, and then he he caught him with a left hook, which is very obvious that Tyson Marquez was badly hurt by the punch, and then he was down in the canvas, and then he was able to come get up, but Beloria smelled blood, and then he uh, tried to finish the fight, and then his corner, the corner of Tyson Marquez, which is Robert Garcia, uh, uh, decided to stop the fight to avoid further damage um, from of poor Tyson Marquez. So that's it. Congratulations to um, Brian Beloria for winning the fight. I think Chocolatito is the next one for Brian Beloria. Uh, I think Brian Beloria have a very good chance of winning the fighter of the year this year, because he have beaten good quality opposition this year. Um, uh, it was a very good fight. So what else can I say? And shout out to Adrian Broner for defeating DeMarco. In my opinion, I just think that DeMarco have no chance of winning against Broner. Broner is too skilled, too intelligent inside the ring, and his power is so underrated by the some of his opponents. So I think Broner is the real deal, but let's see what the future may hold for these two guys. I mean Beloria and Broner. So congratulations to all the to those two fighters, and uh, that's my take about my the fights, and um, I'll update some more videos in the next videos of the some information in my next videos. This is Prince 117005 out.